So, we're now in lesson number 6, so problems involving sequences. So, let us apply what you have learned in the previous lesson, the arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. So, ia-apply natin yan dito sa lesson na to. Okay? So, let's have an example number 1. Charmaine decided to save 8 pesos from her weekly allowance during the first week of the school year, and every week thereafter increasing the amount by 2 pesos until she makes 36 week savings. So, ano ibig niya sabihin? Sabi niya, mag-iipon daw siya ng 8 pesos daw. Tapos, every week daw, yung ipon daw niya, nadadagdagan daw ng 2 piso. Okay, so 8, tapos madadagdag doon ng 2 piso, madadagdag ng 2 piso. Sabi niya, nag-i-increase daw siya. So, anong gagawin natin dito? So, in this sequence, parang lumilitaw na, sabi niya, start siya from 8, diba? 8 daw, madadagdag, ito yung first week, madadagdag siya ng 2 piso, magiging 10, madadagdag niya naman siya ng 2 piso, magiging 12, hanggang magiging 14, hanggang umabot siya sa 36 weeks. So, what was the amount of her last savings daw? So, magkano daw yung masisave niya dun sa 36 weeks? Ilan daw ba yung sisave niya dun sa 36 weeks? So, in this example, so kung makikita natin yung sequence, this is what? Arithmetic sequence because meron siyang tinatawag na common difference, that is 2. Yun yung nadadagdagan daw every week. So, gamitin natin yung formula. We have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, 36 weeks daw. So, magiging a sub 36. Yung pang 36 weeks daw. Ilan na daw yung pera niya doon sa 36 weeks. So, ang first term natin is 8 plus n natin is 36 minus 1 and the common difference is 2. So, magiging 8 plus 36 minus 1 is 35 times 2. So, magiging 8 plus 70. Then, 8 plus 70 is 78. So, ibig sabihin, dun sa 36 weeks, ang perang hawak niya is 78. How about in another question niya? What was the total amount of savings after the 36 weeks? So, magkano na daw yung naipon niya after daw ng 36 weeks? So, ang tinatanong niya dito, ilan na yung total ng ipon niya hanggang 36 weeks. So, gagamit tayo dito ng formula natin is the sum, di ba? Yung sum niya, yung arithmetic series niya. So, ang formula natin for arithmetic series, we have s sub n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by 2 times the first term plus n minus 1 times d. So, pang 36 weeks, so meron tayong s sub 36. So, n natin is 36 over 2 multiply by 2 times the first term. What is the first term? Is 8 plus n minus 1 natin, 36 minus 1. The common difference is 2. Okay? So, solve na natin. 36 divide 2, ang sagot natin is 18. Then, 2 times 18, ang sagot natin is 16 plus 36 minus 1 is 35. Okay? Times 2 na natin, magiging 70. Times 2 ko na siya doon. 35 times 2, 70. Then, magiging 18 times 16 plus 70, magiging 86. Then, 18 times 86, ang sagot natin is 1,548. So, ibig sabihin, after nung naipon niya mula first week hanggang 36 weeks, meron na siyang perang 1,548. Okay? So, number 2 example. An object falling from rest travels 16 feet during the first second, 48 feet during the second, and 80 feet during the third second, and so on. How far does the object fall? So, if you will see in the problem, so, check natin. So, yung first daw na first feet niya, 16. Tapos, yung susunod naman daw, 48. Yung susunod, 80. Based on this given, makikita natin, kung hahanapin natin, magkakaroon tayo ng common difference. That is what? Anong common difference natin? That is 32. 80 minus 48, ang sagot natin is 32. 48 minus 16, ang sagot natin is 32. Therefore, ang common difference niya is 32. Meron siyang common difference. This is an arithmetic sequence. So, sabi niya dun sa tanong, how far the object falls. So, on the 7th second daw, okay? So, on the 7th second, paano natin siya hanapin? So, ibig sabihin, we're looking for the 7th term. So, gagamitin natin yung formula ng arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D. So, A sub 7 daw. On the 7th second. So, ilan na daw yung ilang seconds daw. So, meron tayong first term natin is 16 plus 7 minus 1. The common difference is 32. So, 16 plus 6 times 32. So, 6 times 32, ang sagot natin is 192. Plus 208, ang sagot natin is 208. So, ibig sabihin, dun sa 7th term daw, the object falls 208 feet on the 7 seconds. So after 7 seconds, sabi niya, how far does the object fall after 7 seconds? So, ang tinatanong niya dito, gaano na daw kalayo mula hanggang 7 seconds? So, ang tinatanong niya naman dito is the total. Mula dun sa unang pagbagsak niya hanggang dun sa last na pagbagsak niya. Gaano na daw kalayo? So, it requires addition yung sum niya. Arithmetic series na siya. So, again, we use the formula S sub n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by 2 times the first term plus n minus 1 times d. So, yung n natin, that is 7 over 2. And 2 multiplied by the first term, that is 16. Plus, n natin, 7 minus 1 times the common difference, that is 2. So, 7 divided by 2, ang sagot natin is 3.5. 2 times 16, that is 32. Plus 7 minus 1, that is 6, times 32, that is 192. Then 3.5 times 32 plus 192, the answer is 224. So 3.5 times 224, the answer is 784. So that means the total distance that the object falls after 7 seconds is 784 feet. So, mula dun daw sa unang pagbagsak niya hanggang dun sa 7 seconds, meron na siyang layo ng 784 feet. Okay? So, example number 3. You complain that the hot tub in your hotel suite is not hot enough. The hotel tells you that they will increase the temperature by 10% each hour. If the current temperature of the hot tub is 75 Fahrenheit, what will be the temperature of the hot tub after 3 hours to the nearest tenth of the degree? So, sabi niya daw dito, dadagdag daw siya ng 10% from 75% na ano niya. So, ibig sabihin, yung magiging first term natin, 75% Fahrenheit siya. 75 degree Fahrenheit. So, dadagdag daw siya ng 10% nung 75. Diba? So, additional na naman 10%. Ito yung first R natin. Tapos, second R. Third R natin. So, dun sa original natin, that is 75. After the first R, dadagdag siya ng plus 10%. Then, after 2 hours na, dadagdag na naman siya ng 10%. Then, dadagdag na naman siya ng 10%. So, ibig sabihin, this is an example of what? An example of geometric sequence. Kasi, nagmumultiply ka, kasi percent to, so nagmumultiply ka ng 10% dun sa original natin. Nagdadagdag ka ng 10% from the original. So, from the original, if it is 100%, therefore, ang magiging common ratio natin is, ang ratio natin is 1.1. Bakit siya naging 1.1? Kasi kung ito ang original natin is 100% plus 10%, magiging 110% na siya yan, di ba? So, ang common ratio na magiging common ratio natin is 1.1 na. Okay? So, use the formula of geometric sequence. So, we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r n minus 1. So, sabi niya dito, what will be the temperature of the hot tub after 3 hours to the nearest tenths of the degree? So, ganun daw kainit after daw ng 3 oras. So, ang hinahanap natin bali dito, yung pang-apat. Kasi, ito na yung first, ito na yung original, ito yung first hour, second hour, tapos ito yung third hour niya. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung pang-fourth term natin. So, hanapin natin is the fourth term. So, a sub 4 is equal to the first term, that is 75. And yung common ratio natin, that is 1.1. 1.1 raised to n natin 4 minus 1. So, magiging 75 times 1.1. 4 minus 1, that is 3. And 75 times 1.1 times 3, ay raised to 3, ang sagot natin is what? 1.331. Okay? Raised to 3. 1.1 times 1.1 times 1.1, the answer is 1.331. Times mo sa 75, that is 99.83. Ibig sabihin, after 3 hours, ganito na siya ka-init. Meron na siyang the temperature of the hot tub after 3 hours is 99.83 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, example number 4. A certain bacteria culture doubles in number every hour. If one bacterium is placed in a glass beaker at 12 noon, how many will be there at 12 midnight? So, maglalagay daw, kung meron daw bacteria dun sa glass. So, nadodoble daw every hour. So, gano'n na daw kadami ang bacteria after 12 hours. Kasi 12 noon hanggang 12 midnight. So, ibig sabihin, hanggang 12 hours siya na apart, di ba? So, gano'n na daw kadaming bakterya kung nadodoble. So, kung ang unang bakterya is una, naglagay ka ng isa, madodoble daw siya. So, 1 times 2 is 2. Madodoble na naman siya, magiging 4. Madodoble siya, magiging 8. Madodoble siya, magiging 16. And so on, hanggang 12. 12 midnight. So, gano'n na daw kadami. So, anong hinahanap niya? Hinahanap niya yung total na bakterya ng pagdating ng 12 midnight. So, gagamit tayo dyan ng geometric series, that is S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r. Okay, so yun yung formula natin. So, hanggang 10, ibig sabihin, ay hanggang 12 noon to 12 midnight, ibig sabihin hanggang 12 term siya, tama? Hanggang 12 term. So, magiging S sub 12. So, yung first term natin, that is 1 times 1 minus, ang ratio natin is 2. Diba? So, magiging 2 raised to 12 over 1 minus, r natin is 2. So, magiging 1 times 1 minus 2 raised to 12, ang sagot natin, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, erase mo yun, calculator nyo, magiging 4,096. 2 raised to 12. Okay? 12 times mong ita-times yung 2. Over 1 minus 2, the answer is negative 1. Then, 1 times 1 minus 4,096, magiging negative 4,095 over negative 1. So, 1 times mo sa negative 4,095, ang sagot is same pa rin. So, negative 4,095 divided by negative 1, ang sagot natin is 4,095. Ibig sabihin, at 12 midnight, there are 4,095 bacteria in the glass. Okay? So, I hope you learned a lot for the discussion. So, it's your time to do your activity. So, lesson number 6. So, in letter A, so you have to find what is asked in the following arithmetic sequence problem. So, show your solution, okay? So, in letter B, find what is asked in the following geometric sequence problem. So, sa letter A, arithmetic siya. Sa letter B, geometric sequence ang gagamitin nyo. Okay? So, don't forget to write your complete solution on a paper, and don't forget to write your journal number 6 na tayo. Okay? Goodbye everyone. God bless.